What are we doing?
The long anticipated night dive with the elegant Manta Rays in Kona. That's what we're about to go do.
At night.
At night, yes. We're very excited. We had a family friend who's also on the island volunteer to watch Oliver for us.
He's not back there.
He's not back there.
Oh.
Yep, he is not going diving, unfortunately, although that would be pretty epic as a 1-month-old baby.
They have to put him in a bubble.
But you'll see some, hopefully, incredible footage of some of the manta rays just off the Kona coast. I'll be doing the dive, Lauren will be doing the snorkel. Coming at you live.
All right, here we are. We're gonna go dive. Pierce has his stuff because he is a master diver. Mr. Master Diver.
Mr. Master Diver.
And we're very excited, right?
Catch you on the flippity flop. See you going out.
We're gonna be really cold on the way back.
Well, that was just incredible.
It's awesome.
We just picked up McDonald's after our Manta Ray Night Dive. All the other restaurants were closed. We tried this local burger joint and then Panda Express. Both told us that they were closed, so we jumped over to McDonald's. So
that's fine.
It's delicious. I got my McFlurry. She got her hamburger.
Oh.
So, the Manta Ray Night Dive. And where to even start? It was a beautiful evening. As we were leaving the marina, there was a pod of about 50 dolphins that showed up and just started playing in the waves as we went out. Dive site. We got to the dive site, had a beautiful sunset. There were no waves whatsoever. It was the calmest I think the ocean has been on the Kona side for the past few days. We got to the dive site, sun went down. I was the first one in the water off of our boat, and immediately on jumping in the water, I saw 2 manta rays directly below me. We were in 25 feet of water, and it was crystal clear all the way down to the bottom. We were standing outside on top of the boat looking into the water, and you can see all the way down to the bottom and see some of the manta rays starting to show up.
That's so cool.
I myself did the dive. I sat at the bottom by the campfires, what they call it, the big lights, and we all got to hold our lights. And I was, again, the first one who had a manta ray just swim directly over my head, maybe like 2 inches above my head. And then it was this beautiful symphony of these gorgeous creatures just coming in and eating the plankton. And Lauren had an incredible experience snorkeling with the manta rays up on the surface.
It's one of those things that you have to do in person to experience it and appreciate it, because we'd watched videos beforehand of what it would look like, and it was amazing, it was beautiful. But to be out there and to have a giant creature that's wingspan is the length of your car from front to back, this close to you, is crazy, and they're beautiful creatures.
I think at my campfire we had 10 manta rays that showed up tonight. And then Lauren had 6 up on the surface that were up there swimming with them, ranging from anywhere between 6 to 14 feet across.
So the way that it works is that at night, the manta rays are feeding 24/7, but at night we shine bright lights into the water, and the plankton that they eat come to the lights. So the whole time what they're doing is they're swimming up to you, and they're doing these backflips, basically
filtering all the plankton
through right next to your face, which is
incredible.
how we got so close to them. But oh, it was amazing.
It's a must do if you ever come to Kona. On the downside, I got down to the bottom and I had the GoPro, and I didn't get the external plastic case. I just thought I could take the GoPro itself, not thinking of what the pressure would be like on the actual rubber buttons, the toggles.
Oops.
So I got down to the bottom, sat down, and tried to go push the record button, and my GoPro wouldn't record anything. So